welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today we are going to declutter my boys' closet. I have twin boys, they're 10 years old. They're going to 6th grade now. The reason I tell you that is because the reason I'm going through their closet and their drawers to declutter is because I do this every year. Right before school starts, I like to declutter all of their stuff. So, because you know, we always buy new clothes and new things. So I like to get them back to just having things that they absolutely need, that they wear, because there's no point in having things that they refuse to wear. And, you know, so all those good things. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment down below so that you know YouTube knows that you guys like my content. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I just took all this out of these two drawers. This is my oldest son's. They're twins, but the oldest of the twins by 30 seconds. He broke this drawer thingy, and if you can tell here, it like bent. So I'm trying to use this to fix it, but who knows? I might fix it just enough so that it can go in and we can be good. But anyways, I just took all this out. He's probably not going to keep 95% of it. So I'm going to go ahead and go through it and then try and fix this. Okay, so I fixed it. It was easy. Now I'm going to empty the rest of his clothes here, and then I'm only going to obviously keep the things that he needs.
Yeah, I know that you're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Okay, so I had the boys sit with me and tell me what they wanted to keep, what they didn't want to keep. And it was actually very helpful because, you know, sometimes I'm like, oh yeah, he'll wear this. And then I end up keeping something that he's like, Mom, I don't want to wear this during school time in the morning. So we want to avoid that at all costs. So yeah, they helped me and that was really helpful. So if you guys can get your kids to help, that would be great.
You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know
I totally was getting so frustrated with them because they weren't helping or they were ignoring me, or, you know, they're kids. What can you expect? They did their best. But I was like, Lord, please help me. Please help me, because I'm going to lose it and I don't want to lose it. Please help me. So I was praying a lot while I was doing this.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio.
All right, guys, so here's my boys' closet. As you can tell, it's a mess. They're not that great at hanging things up, as you can tell. These are brand new. And this is how he hangs up. And he walks away. He's like, I did it, Mama. Right, Caleb? No. They're both over there watching me, but they're wanting to play video games because we've been at the mall all day. Anyways.
A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go.
Okay, so I went ahead and went through the whole everything. Unfortunately, we did not get rid of too many things. I sort of had a inkling that we wouldn't, just because I hang their clothes up after laundry and it's something we constantly use. We did get rid of a nice little pile, but nothing. This is the pile of clothes that we got rid of. It's not bad. It's just not great. I wanted like half the closet, but nothing major. So unfortunately, not a lot will fit. As you can tell, it still looks very full. Doesn't even look like anything happened or changed. So I was gonna organize it by colors, and I was thinking about doing like separate sides for each kid, and like, I don't know, I can't make up my mind on what I want to do, because I also was thinking about adding a second shelf down here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this into a 2-part video. For now, I got what I mainly wanted to get done, which was declutter. I want to get rid of the stuff, especially from the drawers, that they just weren't using, that doesn't fit them. So we got rid of all the stuff that we don't need. Now I just need to organize it and make it look better. So I'm gonna add a little clip of how their room is decorated with soccer, because it's like a soccer theme. This little clip doesn't have all the other decorations, but you guys make sure you're subscribed because you can see that in part 2. I did put up a bunch of stuff on their walls and it looks really cute, but again, I'll have that in part 2. For right now, I'm just over it. Honestly, I'm over it. I'm tired. I just want to go lay down. So I'm going to end the video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and go declutter your kids' rooms before you go buying them stuff for school, because it literally doesn't make sense to not do that. Anyways, I didn't get as much done as I wanted to in this video, but it's okay. Things happen, right? So anyways, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.